Aeromexico 649, now taxi via Delta 10, Echo 24 left.
Delta 10, Echo 24 now, Aeromexico 649, gracias.
Delta 22 for Del Rey, wind 0606, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
24 left, clear nav Del Rey, Delta 2253, 24 left, clear for takeoff.
21 heavy, Los Angeles Tower, runway 2 point.
24 left, 9.8, 1 heavy. Los Angeles Aeromexico 649, are bad. We just taxi on Delta 10, we are holding 24 left. Delta 10.
Aeromexico 649, contact tower now 133.9er, hold your position.
Right, hold position, and tower 132.9er. Aeromexico 133.9er, Aeromexico 649.
Departure Delta 2253,
133.9er.
1,500
Yeah,
for 5,000.
Aeromexico 649. Sorry.
Mexico 649, Los Angeles Tower. Mexico 649, Los Angeles Tower.
Aeromexico 649, we're 24 left.
Mexico 649, traffic at full length is holding in position. Turn left onto runway 24 left, turn left again onto Whiskey.
Alright, turn left on 24 left, and again left, Aeromexico 649. Thank you.
Mexico 649, left at Whiskey, left again onto the ground again, 121.65.
Left Whiskey, left Echo 121.65. Gracias. Los Angeles Aeromexico 649, we're again on Echo.
Aeromexico 649, possible pilot deviation. Advise when you're ready to copy a tower phone number.
And 1 heavy on Nav Del Rey, wind 0606, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
24 left, clear for takeoff, 1 heavy. Yeah, we're ready to copy Aeromexico 649.
Aeromexico 649, possible pilot deviation. Call 310-337.
Right, 310337. Aeromexico 649.
Aeromexico 649, runway 24 left, taxi via Echo.
For left, we'll taxi via Echo, Aeromexico 649.